Good day, Ma'am Cherimi Dagondan. I'm Leia Matugas Procoyos from Biswa 3 Block 4, and I am from Orange Group, the Group 3, and my assigned topic is all about the effect of failure to stamp taxable document. Before I am going to start my assigned topic, I have here the purpose of documentary stamp tax. What is the purpose of documentary stamp tax? Documentary stamp tax is a tax on documents, instruments, loan agreements, and papers evidencing the acceptance, assignment, sale, or transfer of an obligation, right, or property incident thereto. So I am going to read now my assigned topic. Effect of failure to stamp taxable document. Such failure not render the document invalid or void, but in such case, the following shall be in the effects. First, the document, instrument, or paper shall not be recorded in the government registry. Second, such document, instrument, or paper, or any record or transfer of the same shall not be admitted or used in evidence in any court until the requisite stamp or stamp shall have been affixed thereon and cancelled. Number 3. No notary public or other officer authorized to administer oath shall add his jural or acknowledgement until the document is properly stamped. And last but not the least, in case of failure to affix the proper of documentary stamps to document or instrument, there shall for any violation be imposed in addition to the amount of tax required to be paid. An amount is fully paid. Filing of return and payment of tax. A tax return is documentation filed with a tax authority that reports income, expenses, and other relevant financial information. On tax returns, taxpayers calculate their tax liability, schedule tax payments, or request refunds for the overpayment of taxes. In most places, tax returns must be filed annually. Filed annually. Number 1. Filing the return and payment of tax. First is by whom payable. The tax shall be paid by the person making, signing, accepting, or transferring such obligation, right, or property. In case, however, one party to the taxable document enjoyed exemption from that tax, the other party thereto, who is not exempted, shall be the one of directly liable for the tax. Number 2. When, except as one wise provided by the rules and regulations, the tax return shall be filed and the tax due shall be paid at the same time within 10 days after the close of the month when the taxable document was made. Signed, issued, accepted, or transferred. In light of the foregoing, the tax may be paid after through purchase and actual affixture by imprinting the stamps metering machine in the taxable document. 3. Where, except in cases where the commissioner otherwise permits, the tax return shall be filed and tax due shall be paid through an authorized agent back within the territorial jurisdiction of the Revenue District Office, which has jurisdiction over the residence of principal place of business of the taxpayer. In places where there is no authorized agent back, the return shall be fixed in the Revenue District Officer, Revenue Collection Officer, or duty authorized treasurer or the city or municipality where the taxpayer has or its legal residence place of business. Customs and duties. Custom duties are taxes levied by a government on goods exported from or imported into the country. Tariff. What is tariff? The tariff, on the other hand, means a book of rates, a schedule of fees imposed on goods exported from imported into a country. Governing law and administrative offices. The law governing tariff and custom duties is Presidential Decree Number 1464, as amended, the otherwise known as the Tariff and Customs Code of 1978, which consolidated and codified all the tariff and custom laws in the Philippines. It superseded Republic Act Number 1937 in the Philippines. It is superseded Republic Act Number 1937, the former Tariff and Customs Code, which was approved on June 2, 1957, and became effective on July 1, 1957. The former code was substantially amended by PD 34, which took effect 30 days after its promulgation on October 27, 1972. Except section of 104 thereof, which took effect on the January 1, 1973. The offices charged with the administration and enforcement of the law are the Bureau of Customs and Tariff Commission, or the BCTC, In addition, 1464, otherwise known as the Tariff and Customs Code of the Philippines, as amended, and for other purposes, an act to revitalize and strengthen the Bureau of Customs, amending for the purpose certain section of the Tariff and Customs Code of the Philippines as amended. And that's all about my assigned topic. Thank you, and God bless you.